Hi, this is Atif, and you're watching my channel Moon333, where I'm posting the trading ideas on forex, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and on different assets, and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. In my previous video of Bitcoin US dollar, I posted a chart where the Bitcoin has formed a garlic pattern on 2-day chart, and this was the chart, and this was the 2-day Bitcoin US dollar chart. And on this chart you can see the price action formed a garlic pattern, and after entering in the potential reversal zone, the price action took the bullish divergence and formed another garlic pattern. The MACD was strong bearish and the stochastic was also in bear cross. Therefore I suggested that unless the MACD won't give us weak bearish signals or stochastic give us a bull cross, we shouldn't enter in the trade. And I also suggested that this PRZ area or potential reversal zone area should be our stop loss point in case of complete candlestick closes below this potential reversal zone. Otherwise, the price action can form a bullish butterfly pattern on 4-day chart. Now I am playing the idea, then you can see the price action has broken down this potential reversal zone support, and now the price action has formed a bullish butterfly on 4-day chart. Now I'm just taking you to the live chart. We will see the price action movement on the live chart, and it will be 4-day chart, BTC, US dollar, and this is the live chart. Okay, first let's watch it on the 2-day chart. This is 2-day chart. If I will place the MACD and stochastic, this is a MACD and stochastic, and you can see neither the MACD give us any weak bearish signals nor the stochastic give us any bull cross. So we did not receive any signals from these indicators to enter in the trade. Now let's move to the 4-day chart to see the butterfly pattern which is formed on this 4-day chart. And now we have this bullish butterfly pattern. Here you can see if I'll place the XABCD pattern tool, then this is initial X to A leg, and A to B leg is retraced almost up to 0.786 Fibonacci, and the B to C leg is retraced between 0.382 to 886 Fibonacci, and C to D, the final leg, is retraced between 1.27 from here. This is our potential reversal zone. This is the place from where our potential reversal zone starts, from 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci, almost up to here. And this is our potential reversal zone according to this bullish butterfly pattern. Now again, on this pattern, on this 4-day chart, if we see, then we can observe that the MACD is still strong bearish on this 4-day chart, and stochastic has still more space to drop more down to oversold zone, and it is in bear cross. So we can wait for the stochastic to give us bull cross. This blue line should cross up this red line, or we can wait for the MACD to turn weak bearish from strong bearish like it is in dark red here. If it will be turned like this dull red color, then we can understand that the MACD is giving us the weak bearish signals. Then we can take the long position, or we can buy or enter in the trade. Now if I place the volume profile, and this is the volume profile indicator, I'm just selecting the fixed range of the volume profile, and I'm just selecting the complete price action of this pattern within the fixed range of this volume profile. See that the volume profile is showing that the trader's interest is still very low at this area. Moreover, if I'll place the moving averages, for example, the 100 moving average, I'm going to place two moving averages, and these will be simple moving averages. And first moving average having the time period of 100. I'm just making it more visible. And the second moving average having the time period of 200. This is the 200 moving average, the simple moving average. Now you can see this is the 200 moving average, and this is the 100 moving average below the 200. So we have a support, a very strong support on this 4-day chart of 200 moving average within this potential reversal zone. The price action can take a bounce from this moving average, and we have also another strong support of 100 moving average below this potential reversal zone. And there can be another situation if this small moving average will cross a big moving average, like this 100 moving average will cross up this 200 moving average, then it can produce a huge bull thrust, because that will be a golden cross, and golden cross always produce a bullish divergence. However, I have set my sell targets using Fibonacci sequence from AD, the AD Fibonacci projection from 0.382 up to 786 Fibonacci, and this is our sell target zone. Now let's move to the chart to see the accurate targets, and this is a chart I've published. I'm just taking you to my portal from where I'll show you my chart. And this is a chart I've published a few moments ago, an hour ago. And you can see on this chart, this is my buying range and these are my sell targets. So you can buy the Bitcoin between $8,166 to $7,038 and sell up to between $9,058 up to $11,193. You can see these targets very clear in the chart description here. I'm also sharing the Tradingview's link in the video's description, so it will be easy for you to find my charts on the Tradingview. First, you need to click on that link, and after moving to the Tradingview, you just need to select this people option from this drop down, and after selecting the people, you just need to write moon 333 this search box, and after that you will find my link, my portals, and you just need to click on this link from this drop down and my portal will be open, and from here you can follow any of my chart and you will find my Bitcoin chart on the front page. Now for the people who ask that which crypto exchange they should use for the crypto trading, I would suggest that you should create your account on the Binance exchange, because the Binance is the exchange which has the largest trading volume of almost every cryptocurrency. I'm also sharing the link of Binance in the video's description. You just need to click on that link and create your account there and start your trading today. Thank you so much guys for watching the complete video. I will be back soon with more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. Take care. Goodbye.